In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of Office Reply in Outlook. If you're going to be away from your email for a period of time, setting up an automatic reply is a simple way to let people know you're unavailable and when they can expect to hear back from you. This is especially helpful for work, travel, vacation, or any time you won't be checking messages regularly. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get it done in just a few moments. To begin, open Outlook on your device. Once Outlook is fully loaded, look toward the top area of the window and find the gear icon. This is the Settings button, and it's where you can adjust account preferences and other email options. Click the gear icon to open the Settings menu. From there, look for the Accounts section and select it. This area contains settings related to the email accounts connected to Outlook, including options for managing automatic replies. After that, click on Automatic Replies. This is the feature that allows Outlook to send a message automatically to anyone who emails you while you're away. When the Automatic Replies section opens, make sure you select the correct email account if you have more than one connected. This is an important detail because the reply will only be sent from the account you choose. Next, turn on the Automatic Replies toggle. Once it's enabled, you'll usually see more options appear underneath. Select the date range for when you want the out-of-office reply to start and end. Setting dates is useful because it allows Outlook to automatically turn the reply on and off for you, so you don't have to remember to come back and disable it later. Now, enter your reply message. Keep your message clear and professional. A good out-of-office reply usually mentions that you're currently unavailable and may include when you plan to return. If needed, you can also mention that responses may be delayed. Try to keep the message short and easy to understand, since it will be sent automatically to everyone who contacts you during that time. Once you're happy with your message and your selected dates, click Save. That's it. Your out-of-office reply is now set up in Outlook. Before you close the settings window, it's a good idea to quickly review everything one more time, especially the selected account, the date range, and the message itself. That small check can help you avoid mistakes and make sure your automatic reply works exactly as intended.